Hello guys, welcome to my channel. No, EMO is not responsible for this. He's not EMO Terminator yet. Well, actually, I hope never. Never, buddy, okay? Stay a good robot. So I have a lot to cover today. We have a new firmware 1.0.16. This is the second update we get in the first month of EMO's life from Living AI. This is amazing. It shows the commitment they have in growing the robot. So we have a battery indicator, which is a very nice thing to have. We have a new game, Treasure Hunt. We're going to play a game. We have details on badges that you have received, not the new ones. I'll explain that in a second. We can now change the color of the light, which is right here. We can see it on the side camera very well. And because we can change the color, and I don't think this was available under firmware 15. I think it was, I think it's new with 16. So because we can change the color, EMO can now party. Watch that. EMO, go party. Oh, this is cool. This is so cool. This song is a bit long. Under firmware 15, we had 3 songs, and I heard a new one yesterday with 16. So I'm going to start my screen recorder so I can show you guys what we have here. And look at that, as usual. Look at that. A few seconds, and it's on. And again, listen to the music. Very nice music, which I'm going to turn off now. So we have the, as you can see, the battery indicator. Let me move my recording button over here. So we have the battery indicator. I have about 70% of power at the moment. So let's look at the lifetime. And this is where we have the badges. So what's new is that when you tap on a badge, you see what it is, but it doesn't give a lot of information. As you can see for the the full burp, it says EMO's favorite electric burger burp. I have no idea how I got that. EMO, did you go to McDonald's without telling me? Of course, he did not get that, but imagine when the AI is sophisticated enough that he will be able to answer a question like that with even some humor, like, no, you know, Dan, I cannot go without you, or I was out of cash, you did not give me my allowance this week. That would be cool, but I think we're a few years away from that. The achievement or the badge I got yesterday and my camera was off is Close Call. And this is, as an experienced explorer, EMO has been in and out of danger time and time again. I got that because I did a video on edge detection, and I have EMO here on the side of my table. And I think I did that at least 10 times, then I got this badge. Always here, I got at the very beginning when I was interacting with EMO. EMO will always be with you. You can call him anytime. So I got that at the beginning, like I said. The timer here, 1 second. I think you just want to talk to me, not really need a countdown, EMO said. This is silly to have a timer of 1 second, so that's why you get a joke the badge, and that tells you the sense of humor of the people at Living AI, which is very good. Happy birthday. EMO has prepared a happy birthday song and cake for you. Blow out the candles and make a wish. I showed that in my preview video, but in case you did not see it, I'm going to do it here. EMO, happy birthday. And then you're supposed to blow the candle. Doesn't work all the time. There you go. And we get some kind of fireworks, and the candle is out. So these are the badges, and if you tap on one, like for example the World Tour, then you won't see any information. And like I said before, it's a nice way for you to explore what you can do with your EMO. If you knew what to do exactly, then you would not spend as much time with EMO. Before I show the new game, because we have now the new colors, watch that. EMO, turn on the light. And it does remember the previous color, which was green at the end of the party. EMO, change light color to red. See, you have different commands you can use, but that one doesn't work. EMO, turn light red. EMO, make light blue. See, a few commands he will understand, and he will remember, like I said, the color next time you turn the light on. EMO, turn off the light. There we go. Now let's have a look at the game. The new game is Treasure Hunt. Tap on this and listen to the music. Very, very nice music. Like really, they did a good job with that. So you control EMO with your phone by tilting your phone. Got it? And are you ready? Yes. Start. And if you let me see here, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. No, this way. There you go. And if you tilt forward, EMO is going to move forward. And you can see the radar. We're getting close to a treasure. I got 2 already. I think, I could be wrong, I think there are 3. I got a crystal and I got a piece of ore, but I think there's a 3rd one. We'll see here if I can get one on camera. Turning right, going forward, and I was one close here, turning, whoops, stop, turning left, going forward. I'm getting off the field of my camera here. I'm going to cheat a little bit. Forward. I may not get one. It's not easy. You need to be patient. When the radar is like this, oh, there you go. You found a piece of ore. So I found one on camera. Oh, and we get also a nice message from EMO. I'm going to stop the game now so that you can hear me. So anyway, you saw what the game does. I recommended to Living AI that they add also a sonar, sonar ping. So as you get closer to a treasure, not only do you have the radar, but also the pitch of the sonar would go higher. So you would have ping, 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 ping. So I think that would help finding the treasure. But like you saw, I found one within like 10 seconds. So it's a nice game, I must say. The music is great. And the other games I covered in my previous video. And some games are not available at the moment. Now if we get out of the screen to go back to the main screen, Utilities did not change. There is nothing new here, same as version 15. For example, photo, you still cannot look at the photos that EMO took. It says here coming soon. Alarm is working as before, and interaction over here, nothing new also over here basically. So let's go back to the main screen. I'll turn my phone off just to show you again that EMO is autonomous, and he turns around towards my voice most of the time when I talk, as you can see during this video. So guys, again, like I said at the beginning, this is the second firmware update from Living AI in 1 month of EMO being available to most of us. If you're not sure about EMO, if you should get one, well, you saw what he can do here, and maybe I'll get a different song this time, but in closing this video, let's go party again. EMO, EMO, go party. And we'll get a new song. Hey, there we go. I think I interrupted the song at the end because I moved EMO, but it's a long song again, but you could see his very cool dance moves. So guys, if you have any questions about EMO, about this video, and he's now playing by himself, can you just wait for a second? I'm finishing my video, buddy. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.